So hey guys, Apple has been working on a low-cost iPhone which could be named iPhone SE 2 or iPhone 9 and will serve as the successor to the iPhone SE which was launched back in 2017. The smartphone is set to go official before its WWDC 2020 event, while the phone was expected to launch at an event on 31st March, but that event was reportedly cancelled due to ongoing virus outbreak. Now, as per the latest report, the company is all set to launch the iPhone 9 as known as iPhone SE 2 on April 15. It reports that while the phone's official announcement will happen on 15th April, the device will be available for purchase from 22nd April only. However, the source also mentions that given the current situation related to virus in the United States, the schedule could get changed. He added that details are based on internal meeting held by Apple. The iPhone SE 2 as known as iPhone 9 is expected to have similar design to the iPhone 8 but will be powered by the current A13 chipset, the same SoC that powered the current generation iPhone 11 series. The phone is also expected to have 4.7-inch display, but we don't expect higher quality because of the cost-cutting measures. So in terms of RAM and storage variants, the phone will feature 3GB of RAM in all the variants. The base variant will start from 64GB and there will be two more options, 128GB and 256GB of internal storage. There will be three color options for the iPhone 9. The first one will be the space grey, the second one will be the red, and the third one will be the silver color finishing. But personally speaking, I like the space grey above all of that. Also, in terms of security, there will be no Face ID for the device, but the iPhone 9 will feature a Touch ID sensor to lock or unlock your device with your fingers or your thumbs. As per the reports, the pricing for this upcoming iPhone could start at just $399 which is 30,000 rupees in India. However, to know for sure what the device packs and how much it will cost, we will have to wait for a couple of weeks more for the official launch announcement to take place. So that is it in today's video guys. Let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone SE 2, and I'll see you in my next video.